How to take up your agency to 20K a month. We all want to grow our agency. We all want to grow in our business life. We deserve all things which we want. So how can you grow your agency using my one simple formula? I called it one cycle formula. So you just need to find out your target market, offer, and your service. It's three things will take off your agency to 20K a month easily. If you are a beginner, if you are an expert, and if you are trying to capture everyone attention in the market, you will get none of attention. Listen right again. If you are trying to get attention from everyone else and try to be general and try to sell each and every service which you are trying to sell, let's say you are selling website, you are selling ads, you are selling Google ads, PPC, whatever it is you are selling, e-com, you are trying to be a, a general marketer, and where you can see people like Neil Patel, he is dominating in SEO. Why? Because he knows that power of one means niche. He is able to grow his company to multiple figures online using niche marketing. He is dominating SEO. Let's say one more person, Tai Lopez. What he is selling, we all know that SMMA. He is dominating SMMA. Yeah, he have multiple programs. Yeah, I know he has having multiple programs online. But the one program which he is selling the most is SMMA. He become famous by the one dialogue, not by one dialogue. He become famous because of his all hard work. He did lots of hard work. Like, what was his the viral video? I forgot. Here in my garage. Yeah, here in my garage. So that was his video gone viral for SMMA. He sold around 2 tons. He is having like around more than 35,000 members in his group. More than that, I think. Not 35,000. More than that. In his, people are enrolled in the SMMA program, social media marketing agency. Even I was one of them. So you can see he is dominating SMMA, social media marketing agency. Someone like the Dan Lok, he is dominating in high ticket niche. He is specialized in high ticket. Okay, you can see I have given the three biggest example of this world. So you have to believe in the power of one, means the niche. So you have to find out who you want to help. You don't be like a general marketer and try to capture everyone's attention. Become a specialist in one niche who you want to help. And by the way, don't target this shit niche, restaurant and what was it, dentist. Why I am telling you, I will tell you. So I have been in the SMMA group and many groups from past few years. So I found that many people are just posting, I am not getting restaurant clients, I am not getting that dentist clients. Even today also one person asked me, I am in dentist niche, I can't get dentist clients. So I told him only one thing: is that dentist is available online all days? Is he, if you are making videos on your social media, is he watching your video? Does he have time to give attention to you? Yeah, there is a lots of marketing process which you can get attention. But if you are beginner, if you are even some expert, I know they can't get dentist clients. These two niche are the worst niche. It's the best niche when it's come to marketing. It's easy to generate leads for this business. But yeah, you can go one on one and talk to them and you will get clients. But from the social media, you cannot get them. You can get them, but it's hard actually, because I haven't seen that many people trying to get it. Even in the program, like people, they coaches are saying like target this to niche. That's good, but you cannot get clients, because when I was working with some of mentorship program, in my mentorship program, so whenever someone comes to me, I see they was targeting dentist and that what was it? Yeah, the restaurant. So when I told him to change his niche to fitness, I told him on the way he just go and type his, he changed his brand message, he changes all his branding. Within the 2 hours he got his first client, and within the first month he got 3 clients, and he was making more than $3,000 a month. Just quick, just changing the niche, just changing his branding, because these people want digital marketer to grow their business. This business like spa, salon, what was it? I think real estate. Real estate also a very great niche. You just show some shiny images of the house and people wants. Like you have to create advertiser, direct response copy works very well in real estate. Even in my coaching business also works very well. So you have to like select salon, select spa, select beauty niche is the biggest niche. It's a very good niche to even you can get target e-commerce. Okay. By the way, if you are a newbie, don't go for e-commerce. Like I have been seeing that people who come into e-commerce, they don't have that much result. Yeah, you have to jump on somewhere, you have to start somewhere. But what if you just quit that little process and go for lead generation? Why? Because lead generation is little bit easy to generate leads and it don't require lots of experience and service. So I prefer if you are newbie, if you are a expert also. I grow my lead generation service to over 6 figure. I'm doing e-commerce, but I love lead generation because it's having some less headache of sale. Just build funnels, generate leads, charge $3,000 a month. It's very cool. It's very cool. So you have to target people who want appointment leads as a startup, as a newbie. So target the one thing who you want to help. You want to spa, generate more leads and sales. You want to help coaches generate more leads and sales using lead generation marketing. Webinar is also great service to sell. I used to do webinar. I used to sell VSL. Okay, you can charge for this stuff like around $3,000 to set up the whole system. But I never seen any coaching program which cover this stuff like the webinar or a VSL. Let's build a brand statement now. So the first thing is like you can go for coaches. Let's say you are going for coaches and you are building a brand message. There are various there are many coaches who I know just change this and rename it like impact statement, brand statement. And then many people are just changing the name and it's called as, I call it brand statement because that's what we are calling from many years. So you have to create your brand statement, your niche statement. The new word is come to the market is the niche statement. So I help coaches to get more leads and sale using Facebook ad and funnels. You have to make sure you add what, or you can say I help coaches get more appointments using Facebook ads and funnels. It's that simple, creating a brand message. You don't have to be right on your profile. I am a digital marketer. What do you mean by digital marketer? No one knows. But I know lots of people knows, but in simple terms, like it is not like attractive who you have. It should be direct hit their brain, their subconscious mind. Let me give you one example. There was a one lady who written in his bio, I help people to get flawless skin. I just click on it. I just booked a call with her and paid it. But yeah, I got some side effects. never trust these online doctors, especially this skin one. I got lots of side effects from it. Over 3-6 months I was not able to make videos. So but you have to go for something like a very clear niche, clear message, a magnetic message. That's what I called a magnetic message, a niche statement with a magnetic message. I help coaches get more leads and sale using ads and funnels. That's cool. That's simple. It's attractive. It's magnetic. Even you can go for a dentist similar way, for restaurant, but it's don't. I think you should not target if you are newbie. If you want to make more money, you can dominate law. You can dominate law firms. The law firms. Law firms require actually they don't use Facebook ads. They use more SEO. You have to learn that. They use SEO. You cannot, even dentists need SEO. Even restaurant need SEO. They need SMMA, but they more need SEO is a part of SMMA. I know it. Don't comment now in the comment box. So the SMMA or major is like SEO. So you have to sell them SEO, search engine optimization. You can find out tons of business who need SEO by either SMMA is easy, but SEO is hard. That's why lots of people are not doing it. But SEO is a great to grow any local business. You can go for SEO. I help let's say I help coaches grow their business using search engine optimization, means SEO. So you can use that. You can go for you have to create a brand statement. Right, done. Now create your offer. Now select a service. Actually, just select your service. What you want to sell them. You cannot go and sell them website. You cannot go and sell them all the stuff which you are selling. You have to select any one service, one program, one mastermind, one coaching program, or whatever it is. You have to select any one. Till that you make your first 6 figure, you don't have to change what you are selling and your niche. At least it take 3 months to get your first high paying client. At least 3 months. Like the people like Harshad comes in and make around 140K a month in just 3 months by dominating niche. On the first month, he made $3,000 after changing his niche from this restaurant and dentist shit. Then again he went to 140K a month. Is that good to make 140K a month in 3 months span, or you just waste your 2 years to attract just two dentist clients or three dentist clients? There are many factors which affect this getting clients, but this niche are very easy: salon, spa, hair salon, real estate, coaches, consultant. There are many people who want to come online. You can help them to jump in online business. Okay, so social media marketing is not about just ads. It's about helping your clients in from consulting, coaching, and running the ads done for you. That's what we call it more. So you have to create your surveys. Let's say you are going for a website. I think nowadays people don't need that much website, but yeah, you can sell it. People need like business growth strategist. So you have to become a business growth strategist, fastest business growth strategist. So you have to go for it. And let's say now you have to clarify your offer after selecting a service. I think I not covered enough for service. Let's go. So let's say you are selling website. Website is good, but people want more like sales leads and all. So you have to focus on a lead generating service, appointment setting service, and all of the service. So you can go for funnel builder, you can go for Facebook ads. This is the two thing which you. And one more guy was messaging me on Instagram that I sell content marketing. I thought, what content marketing? Who wants that? Because I'm from long industry and I've been working with more than like lots of millionaires. I found that we don't build content. We never build content. We just do ads, get leads in and close them. Leads close. This is what we do to get clients. We don't build this content. Yeah, if you are doing organic and to build to build presence and to build, you want to become a famous on social media, you want to build your brand presence like influencer, then you can build content. Okay, but the more you focus on sales and lead generating part, the more the business you will grow. As an agency owner, you can be an agency owner and hire some people, and you are building the content and you are outsourcing the part. That's the great. It works very well to grow your agency. You are building content, you are coming in people's eyes, and you are outsourcing that work, focusing on just building content. Yeah, it works also very well. But the most of the millionaire which I work with, they just focus on this webinar VSL and just generating leads and closing them the sales. We need email address, phone number, and we just close them and made $1 million. It's like simple, but it's need years of experience and the system and process and brain, subconscious mind, programming. Like there are tons of it around it. So you got your target market who you want to help. Let's say you want to help coaches. You got your service ready. You want to help them with Facebook ads and funnels. That's your service. And let's say you name that something like 90-day profit plan, 90-day traffic plan, something like that. You named it, and then you can name it anything according to your whatever it is. The of services. Then you can build your offer, how much it is, lay out all the offer, how you will help them, what it's included, how much it is the offer. You can create a no-brainer offer. I will create another video on the no-brainer offer, and I will link in this video later. So you have to create a no-brainer offer. By the way, no-brainer offer is what every digital marketer needs. No one talk about this no-brainer offer in digital marketing space. We was doing that no-brainer offer in our coaching space. Then I thought, let's do in this digital marketing space, and I closed many clients using my no-brainer offer. Offer is must. Offer attracts more than your sales. Offer should be the best. So you have to clear your target market, who you want to help. You want to clear your service, how you want to help them. And the third thing, your offer. Create no-brainer offer. Search on YouTube, you will get any video, or I will create one in later. So do this, and you will become the best digital marketer in the world. Best. Learn this and do mastery. Yeah, I want to talk one more topic about mastery. Do the mastery. Don't change niche again and again. If you do mastery, you can achieve anything in the world. Just to master one niche. Let's say you are mastering the coaching niche. You want to help coaches. Just master how you can help them. Replicate that business. What ads, what ad copy was working for him. Apply in the second. You will get result. Apply that on the third. fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. You got the 10 clients. You are making more than, you are charging one client $3,000. You are making 30K a month. Is that good? You just got result for the one client. You just got the result for the one client in the coaching space. You are replicating that business model, your advertising strategy, your content strategy, copywriting strategy on the another business. Replicate. You build 10 business. You are making $30,000 a month using just simple. You have to just hard work till your first client you get. Create a case study on your first 3 clients, how you help them to make the whatever dollar it is, and then show them case study to the other clients, close them, show that case study to the fourth client, close them. This is how it works. Ask them refer. They will, if you help them in real, they will refer you. So refer based marketing is also very good for any business. I mean, from especially for digital marketing space. So this is how you can build. You have to do mastery. Without mastery, nothing is can achieve. There are lots of people who come and just change the niche. I was the one of them. So they change the niche, and they affected. Even still now, I change my niche to fix. But right now, I have fixed it. All clear. But you have to do that. At least for 3 months, you have to stick to one niche. No, sorry. At least for 1 year, you have to stick to one niche and dominate it. Build content to get. If you have money for ads, spend on ads and get leads and close your clients for digital marketing space. If you don't have money to spend on ads, just do organic marketing, do personal branding, build your profile setup, do your Facebook priming, your profile, build your brand statement, build content in one niche. Don't build content. If you're targeting coaches, just build like something video like that. How to generate 30 leads a day using Facebook ads, and just write down the name, like above black bar, down black bar, and written there. Like you can watch out my Instagram video how I do that. You can find out the square video. So you can create specifically for coaches. You can specifically create content for fitness. That's how people need help. Yesterday, one of my friend messaged me that she went to a dentist and she approached the dentist for social media marketing. What the doctor said, the dentist said that hey, I'm already working with a dentist specialist marketer, means people who are expert in dentist marketing, means for people who are doing social media marketing for dentists. See this how she was general and this was the person who was doing dentist marketing. He got that chance. Why? Because he was doing the marketing for dentist. Yeah. So that's how if you go niche, you clear your offer and clear your service, 3 things done, you will get tons of clients using this. Build a simple landing page. You don't need any fancy website. Don't focus on that. Focus on generating leads. Focus on selling. Focus on selling and scaling. You can get people in. Build your system. So SOP. Build your SOP and build your system. Select your target audience. Build your service. Build your offer. Done. That's it. Scale. And I noticed that from you people, like I saw the YouTube panel like that where all the numbers are coming. I forgot the name, but I saw that 83% people who are watching my video are not clicking on that red button. Don't know why you are not hitting that red button. So I want you to hit that red button. Hit it, smash it, or kill it. I don't know anything. Just hit that red button down.